Well, hello there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and having a beautiful day. Happy New Year to everyone. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing with you how to make the Kaleidoscope quilt table runner using all of these beautiful selections of fabric here. They are absolutely gorgeous. This is a two-part series. So today I'm going to show you how to make the table runner, and the next video will be the quilt, but it's absolutely delightful. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as I usually ask you to leave a comment down below. If you don't know what to say, just say great video, and please just share the video to someone else, or even if you don't know who to share it to, just send it to friends and family. All right, that helps the channel out heaps. But definitely give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. As I said, hi Karen, beautiful quilt, lovely video today, really enjoyed the demonstration, whatever it may be. Anyway, let's get on and make this beautiful table runner. It's going to be a really quick one, so if you blink, you're going to miss it. That's how quick and easy it is to make this. Let's get started. Begin by just simply lining up your hourglasses in the orientation that they're supposed to be. Match the colors of which you want to create the star in an overall, so then once it's completed together, it will look seamless. All right, so what I did was to pile up all of my pieces, as you can see here, in the orientation that I want, and I just continue to sat here and chain piece them like I have done all of these ones here. To make the hourglasses, you will just literally fold them over front sides together, and then once you've done that, you then bring it back together and you will get the hourglass pattern. Quite simple, very quick to do. Alright, so next we're going to start the half square triangles. One good thing about the fabric cuts is that they all come already done for you. It's even have all of the dog ears snipped off at the top there for even the color as well as the background on both of the ends, so it's really easy. So I have literally just been sitting here and chain piecing everything else, so just it goes by so quickly. And literally we're going to be getting ready to put this together soon and make up a block. I do imagine that the block is going to come up really big based on the size of all of the cards, but let's continue and see what happens. All right, so after making all of the components to make your quilt blocks, what we need to do is to sew these together, front sides, all of these here in the color schemes that they are already, and then we will move on to the layout. Alright, so this is how the blocks are formed. So these are your half square triangles in the corner up there. This is the other component. And then you got your hourglasses in the middle. Okay, you can choose to mix the colors as I've done here, or you can use the block in one particular color. So the whole thing could be one color in total. Alright, so you can have the same colors on either side. So you can have the floral there, floral there, floral there. But as I'm saying here is that I've actually chosen to add a different color of higher contrast of yellow to actually bring it together. But this is what the block looks like. Alright, and you're then going to lay it all out. So as I said, I have chosen 4 for my table runner. You could use 5. It really depends on how long you want to actually make it. As you can see, the blocks come up really big. I think they're about 16 inches squared, so really big blocks, which will mean that your project is going to finish very quickly. Do pay attention to how you actually lay it all out, because remember, we want the background color to be facing inward, which is very important. If you do change it around, you may get a different outlook, because we want the white to actually show up the star in the middle here. Here is another color, and you can see exactly what I'm actually referring to. All right, the importance again of having the white come together in the middle. Looks really lovely. I'm loving this contrast here. I have chosen to mix, as I said, if you really want to, you can have the whole thing with the black and white checkered, but I actually like the contrast of having a different color within the hourglass, but it's up to you. So when you put them together, you do get a secondary pattern here, as you can see. All right, so you get a little diamond in the middle there. Once we add another 2 blocks here, you can always get another hourglass in the corner here as well. So I'm going to go ahead now and lay out the number of blocks that I require for my table runner, and then we will take it from there. But so far it looks pretty good. I'm loving the colors. So this is one half of my project. This is a table runner, obviously, and this measures 16 by 60. It's absolutely beautiful. The actual pattern itself does its wonders. Beautiful, beautiful, simplistic, very quick project. There's 3 parts to this particular project, but I'm sharing the first one with you. Let's go in closer and have a look at the quilting, which is just meandering. Again, perfect and suitable for this. Loving the colors, very vibrant. I've used 4 blocks here in total, ranging from red to blue. Those beautiful colors, very, very lovely. And it sewed together really nicely. The binding as well as a beautiful blue, as well as the same color at the back there. But overall, a very beautiful, quick project that wouldn't take long to complete at all. I was actually going to do 5, but I think 4 is nice because sometimes I like it to just sit in the middle of the table. But overall, very quick and beautiful project. Bye for now. Happy quilting. If you'd like this video, please consider subscribing, share the video around because that helps me heaps to promote my channel. Happy quilting, and I'll see you in the next one. So this is the layout that I have come up with. This looks really awesome. However, what I would say to you, this is not the actual size of the quilt. I still have a lot more over there to lay out. So this is what I have done so far. I would say though that I have opted for mixing my colors in the middle here for each of them. Okay, it's up to you if you choose to do something like that with yours. Nevertheless, it looks really awesome. I love the extra layouts you get in between. Looking at it from this point of view, from the camera lens, it looks pretty good. You also get your secondary pattern here in the middle.
Me wind and rain, you're some kind of bird.